Well, he did, honey. Pastor, honey, Pastor, I had an anointing voice.
I'll wait on you.
Why is this up here?
What is that?
I was gonna need it.
Oh, Bella! Oh, Bella! Oh, Bella! 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 Oh, Bella!
You ain't different.
Oh! Don't do that.
Get him, Donnie.
Get him, Bella.
Donnie, get him.
Bella, you running, leave everybody. You supposed to be a guard dog, girl. You running. Child, you running for anybody else run. Oh, Bella. Oh.
She gotta,
She looking like,
look,
what am I
you running and she running for you too.
Oh. Lord have mercy. So y'all don't think I can sing? Y'all don't think I sing?
If you think you can say that's all that matters.
But Pastor say I can sing.
How long you and Pastor been messing around?
I don't mess around with my pastor. He's an anointed
You
man.
don't mess around with that,
No, I know no pastor.
Because if he telling you can say,
But he paid me $100 per service to
He
sing.
not paying you for the same.
Yes, he did.
Is he paying
He-
the singles? He paying the look.
No, he paying the same.
No, he paying you for the after special.
He paying. He said I have a no. He said I sound like an angel.
What kind of song? Look, I'm pretty sure it's them late night songs you be singing.
Come on in my room.
I bet you.
Going up yonder.
Go ahead. Come on in my room. And listen to the second one. Listen to the second one. Going up the yonder.
This a song I be singing.
He coming in the room. Look on it. He coming in the room and going up the yonder.
Whatever. Well, Pastor always say I had a voice on me.
I'm sure.
He did.
And you know, Pastor always, when we go out, he always give me a hug.
You always notice how when dudes be interested in the girls, they always tell them they have a nice something.
Uh-huh.
To keep them going. That's what he doing.
Oh, he just getting up my spirit. He don't. But I really can't sing yet. Now y'all my true friends now. Well, y'all tell me I can sing. Can I really sing?
I don't know.
I would say keep your day job, but you don't have one.
I'm not gonna take that too much long. Y'all are really getting on my nerve. Bella, go get Steve. Get him. Get him, girl. See, put that thing on your head like she doing your lap. Put it over your head. No, she's trying to protect
She's trying to
you.
bite me.
No, she won't. Get him, Bella. Get him. Bella, get him. Oh, Bella. Somebody got him, Bella. Bella. Somebody got him. Somebody got him, Bella. She's trying to say, she's trying to get you go there and get him. So you go get that thing. Go get him with you got in your hand, girl. You can't. She went to what kind of stuff? I go get her. And Bella say, don't get me the line. Ow! Get him, Bella. Get him, Bella.
Oh, she's so cute.
Get him, Bella. Ooh, Bella, help me.
She watching.
Girl, you supposed to try to help me, not Bella. Why?
She watching.
She say, she probably say, get that hoe.
Good girl.
She probably get him high Get him high. Bella, you supposed to be protecting me. No, you supposed to protect me. When they come at me with a thing, you supposed to guard. Now do it again. Do it again, Golden. Come on. Do it again, Golden. Come on. Do it again.
Get a guard dog. Get a nigga dog.
Get it.
Yeah, they gonna...
Look, Bella, you know what? I can't, girl. No, you supposed to protect me,
He
girl.
don't protect you. Tell her he always beat you.
Okay, let me see how this sound. Hold on. I thought we'd be doing some crazy stuff.